In 1931, a 25-year-old mathematician published a proof that shook the foundations of human knowledge. His name was Kurt Gödel, and what he proved was something no one had ever imagined was possible to prove. He proved that in any logical system powerful enough to describe mathematics, there will always be true statements that cannot be proven within that system. To understand why this matters, you have to understand what mathematics was supposed to be. For centuries, mathematicians believed that all of mathematics could be built from a small set of basic axioms, like a perfect machine with no missing parts. In 1900, the greatest mathematician of the age, David Hilbert, stood before the world and declared that every mathematical truth could eventually be proven. 31 years later, Gödel proved him wrong, not by finding an error, but by proving the incompleteness was permanent and structural. His method was breathtaking. He made mathematics talk about itself, the way a sentence can describe its own untruth. He constructed a statement that essentially said, "This statement cannot be proven," and then showed it was true. If the statement is false, then the system is inconsistent. If it is true, then there are truths the system cannot reach. Either way, the dream of a perfect, complete mathematics was over. The mathematical community was stunned, not because Gödel had destroyed mathematics, but because he had revealed its permanent horizon. Mathematics, the most certain language ever invented, contained within itself a wound it could never heal from the inside. But Gödel did not see this as defeat. He believed the incompleteness pointed toward something beyond formal systems, something that human intuition could reach, but logic alone could not. What Gödel proved is this: every system of thought, no matter how powerful, looks out at a territory it cannot fully map from the inside. This is not a flaw in mathematics. It is a feature of all knowledge, and perhaps the most honest thing ever formally proven about the limits of the human mind. Some truths exist beyond proof. Gödel did not discover a wall. He discovered that the horizon is real, and it moves with you.